Hello techies, how are you all? Today we will learn how to add a new connection into the SAP logon pad. Okay, so if you see here, this logon pad is of release 740. Okay, so there are different releases. Maybe it can be, you might have a different logon pad installation. So it can be 740, 750, or 760. Okay, so but the process remains the same, the way you add it. Okay, so now let us see how to add a new connection here. So if you see the button here, this is the button you need to press in order to create a new connection or add a new connection into your SAP logon pad. So here you see the user specified system, so you can just click next. Okay, here if you see the connection type, you can just let it be the custom application server. Then in the description you can just add, okay, the relevant description that is understandable by you, and then you will have an IP that you can give the information here, and then the instance number whatever is given by the provider, whoever is providing the system, they will be able to give all these details here. Okay, so after you fill in all these details, please click next. Okay, until unless it is an SNC means it's a single sign-on. I mean if you are using an IDES system, then uh, I don't think you will be provided with an SNC, but rather if it is something of your company provided SAP logon, then you might have an SNC, I mean single sign-on. I mean, that you can check with your uh, s- the the security team for further information on the single sign-on details. Okay, and if it is for your personal laptop or personal desktop, so this is the way you have to do. Okay, then you don't select anything, just have the settings as is, like you can have the high speed LAN connection, and just don't check this active secure network communication, just leave it unchecked. Okay, then you can just click on next, and then here also language. So if you want to specifically select any language, you can select it, otherwise generally it will be English only. Or if you want to select English, you can select English here, and just finally click on finish. So that will allow you to add a new connection here. Okay, so now if you just want to log in, so this will open a new system, the relevant login page of the system that we're talking about. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.